Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going.
So this is our ingredients for our baked beans. We got some barbecue sauce, a little bit of barbecue sauce, not the whole bottle. Some honey mustard. I got the little can for me, but you can get the big cans. It's the same. Honey sweet baked beans is what I prefer. You can get the original. You can get the hickory smoked. Some brown sugar, some bacon, a little bit of honey, and that's all of our ingredients. I got 2 little cans. So let's get to it, y'all. Okay, for our baked beans, we're gonna start off with a half of our slab of bacon, and we're just gonna cut them in about 1-inch long pieces, and then we're gonna put it at the bottom of our pot. Okay, so here is our strips of bacon, an inch thick. We're gonna put it in here in the pot and cook it like you cook your breakfast bacon, and just let them cook. Okay, so our bacon is cooked. It's crisp. You don't want them burnt. You just want them browned. You just want them to get brown. Okay, so I'm going to remove it from the oil. Now I'm going to keep this oil. It's going to be part of the sauce for our beans. I know it sounds a little crazy, but it gives it so much flavor. So alright, so put your heat on low so you don't burn anything. Okay, we're gonna start with the barbecue sauce. Whatever barbecue sauce you like to use. Like they say, you making a meal. I'm about to make me a meal. Some ribs, macaroni, cheese, baked beans, right? This is the sauce that I'm gonna use for my ribs. So this is the sauce that I'm gonna use inside my baked beans. So it has a similar taste and flavor. You get what I'm saying? I'm just gonna put about 2 tablespoons of this sauce in here. Or maybe not even, just a tablespoon. I'm gonna start off with just a tablespoon. No, I'm gonna put 2 because I got 2 cans of beans. Alright. So we only gonna put 1 tablespoon of mustard. This is honey mustard because you know my barbecue sauce got honey and it's sweet and the baked beans got honey in it. So I figure why not honey mustard. But you can use regular mustard. A lot of people use regular mustard. I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon of this honey mustard. We are going to season it with a little bit of onion powder. I'm not going to put a tablespoon. I'm going to put a teaspoon. of the onion powder. There we go. And a teaspoon of, oh, that was garlic powder, sorry, but okay, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay. And now we're gonna stir this up. I have honey. I'm gonna put some honey in it, but I'm gonna wait till the end because you know the honey is, it'll crystallize. It'll cook really, really fast. All right, this looks good. We can taste it. Make sure it's perfect. Oh, that's really good. Now let's add our canned beans. Or, I'm sorry, let's put the bacon in first and then add our canned beans. Mix our bacon into this. So it's all coated and yum. And the bacon gets the taste also. Let's add our baked beans. Stir it in. This is a lot of baked beans. There's no party here today, but this will be our lunch and dinner for the next week at work. Yeah, I'm making myself a dinner and I'm recording for y'all, OC fam, so y'all included. But these are gonna be 3 separate videos, so y'all can get the, you know, the main focus of each recipe. So we're gonna let this simmer. It's gonna come to a little boil. You can taste it. It's not bad, but actually I forgot to put some brown sugar in it. It's gonna make it a little bit sweeter. So we're gonna put about 1/4 cup of sugar. And then we're gonna put the fire on low and just let it simmer and everything's gonna come together. I said 1/4 cup, but it might be ending up as a 1/2 cup. Nope, it's 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, y'all. Right in there. It's gonna add a little bit of more sweetness. It's gonna give it a little bit more thickness, but remember we're gonna add honey towards the end also. So let's let this cook, let it simmer, and then we'll add our honey. You see how the thickness went down? So we're gonna add some honey, about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. All right. You want to get it all. I love honey in my baked beans. Just love the sweetness. Taste it. That's really good. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of honey, and then that's it. You can taste the bacon. You can taste the barbecue sauce. All right. let it heat up, and then there you got it. Your baked beans is done.